Hey, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we are discussing or covering member recommended chart setups that reduce the TOS template update time. Now, this video builds on two previous videos. The first covering how to import the TraderTarget template into the Thinkorswim platform, and the second, how to access and edit the particular target values in that template to make sure that they're corresponding with the daily updates. This would be the third and final video in this brief series where we've had member feedback that we want to share with other people. Now, as we said in other videos, we have many members at TraderTargets.com who trade the targets. They write the values down, they put them in Excel, they plot them as horizontal lines within their charting platform. And there are many chart platforms that are being used by the members. But this is a particular tool for the Thinkorswim platform that we do offer. It's important to remember that futures and Forex trading contains substantial risk. It's not for every trader, and you could potentially lose more than you initially invest. Only trade with risk capital. Now, several members trade multiple instruments, and so we will conclude this presentation with some chart setup ideas that are going to save you time and allow you to speed up the process that we've been looking at. Members have let us know that there's two chart ideas that can really speed up time. That is a multi-grid monitoring setup or a multi-time frame trading. When we look at the multi-grid, it will look much like this. When you set up a multi-grid, some members prefer to set up and save the multi-grid charts with their basic strategy and the TraderTarget template already incorporated. So this is a grid where, for example purposes, we're looking at Apple, CL, and ES. There's an array of lower indicators. Maybe you use a MACD, some sort of form of stochastics, RSI. Some of you may use a rate of change, some custom indicators, maybe a moving average or Keltner channels or Bollinger Band, something on your price chart mixed with your trader targets. Now, the idea here seems to be to set up the instruments that you're watching with a basic chart setup to speed up your time, save it as a flex grid, and then charts can quickly be detached and edited. But this is one strategy that would allow you to quickly come in and modify your daily targets for, say, ES or CL or Apple or whatever instrument that you're trading. The second chart setup idea that speeds up time, which we've been told works rather well, is a multi-time frame trading method and applying the levels to those intraday chart time frames. Many traders like the multi-day time frame approach or a top-down, and so this chart is made up of a 1 day, 1 hour. In the middle, we have a 15-minute setup, and then to the right, we have a 5-day setup. Now, obviously, the TraderTargets model is more for your lower time frames. So while many traders are going to, or at least profitable traders, are going to have the same strategy, being fractal in nature, looking at it across multiple time frames, you really only need the TraderTargets on your smaller time frames because this is a day trading or overnight swing trading tool. Now, the question that normally arises is since nobody wants to update the daily targets more than once, how can a single update be applied to several time frames? In other words, let's say today you get your chart, you come in here to your edit studies, and you modify your daily target values as you do your homework and set up your trade plan for tomorrow. Now, I've already set these up, but if we were to modify and click OK, we don't want to have to come in here on the 5-minute or 1 minute or tick chart. In other words, you don't want to have to update this more than once. So what a lot of members have found is instead of going in here and loading your template and having to start all over, use the save style and load style feature that's built into Thinkorswim. You can save this style. Maybe it's just something that you save as a temp file because you're going to change this each day. Include the patterns and study, click save. Yes, we want to. And then whether you've got one or multiple smaller time frames, we're going to go ahead, come into the style. We're going to load that style after making our updates, and then we're going to simply revert to one of our standard time frames. So this was a 5-day, 5-minute, and it's instantly updated. So that saves minutes out of your day. Now, if you're looking at multiple charts and you can save 3 or 4 minutes on that setup each day, you save yourself quite a bit of time each night. So these are 2 chart ideas that can save you time. We do appreciate you watching. Please check us out at TraderTargets.com, and we wish you good trading.